Happy baking, little berry crumble. Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Trix, and on this channel, we share one little spark of life in each and every video. Mainly, we hang out together, we unbox subscription boxes, we share a love for Disney, we review items, and we go through our shopping hauls together. It would mean the absolute world to me if you would join our community. If you do want to join our community here on YouTube, you can click that red subscribe button, ring that bell, that way you won't miss another upload. If you want to join our community over on Instagram as well as here on YouTube, in the description box down below, I do have a link to my Instagram account. All right, so today, I have my mini ears on. It is going to be a Disney inspired video today. If you are watching this around the time that I actually upload this video, it is getting to be, or I don't think it's getting to be, like, we are well cemented in the holiday season. And with holiday seasons, you may be asked to bring a dish somewhere, whether it be to work, a family gathering, what have you. You might have to bring a dish relatively last minute and you want to impress somebody, right? And don't kid yourself, we all like to impress our coworkers, impress our family members, etc. So today's recipe is going to be just perfect for that. It is one of those recipes that looks nice and yummy and homemade. It sort of has an all warm and cozy, handmade sort of vibe to it, but is super simple. This recipe is a dessert inspired by a dessert at Disneyland Resort. This is a berry crumble. This dish is also extremely moldable to you and whoever you are cooking for, because really all and truly, the main part is berries. You can pick whatever berries that you would like. You can put as much or as little depending on the amount of people that you have to feed. Are you ready to see how this Disney-inspired berry crumble is made? Let's head over to my kitchen. First, we are going to make our streusel topping. So for this streusel topping, you are going to need a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a stick of melted butter. Once everything is mixed, you're going to want to add your melted butter and mix that. I'm going to put this to the side now, and we can focus on our fruit. So with this dish, you can really use any sort of berry that you would like. I have here some blueberries, some raspberries, and I have quartered up some strawberries. Now, the smaller fruit, of course, I am keeping whole, and then the strawberries I quartered up. Depending on the size though, you could half them, just depending. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just take this and simply pour it into my dish. I'm using a pie dish. You could use, I guess, whatever type of dish you would like. And I'm just going to arrange this before I put the rest of the items on, just to make sure that, go back in there, just to make sure that every bite is going to have a mixture of the different berries. With the addition of the 2 tablespoons of sugar that I'm going to be putting in, what that is going to do is the sugar is going to act as sort of a breaking down and thickening agent for this berry crumble. So it's going to make everything all nice and gooey and sticky in the actual dish as it's baking in the oven. Next, we are going to zest an orange. To be honest, zest as much as you would like. If you do, ooh, this smells wonderful. If you do not like orange in your dishes, obviously, I'm assuming that you could leave this out. If you enjoy a lot of orange flavor, zest more. And don't forget whenever you zest your fruit, put it in the fridge, save it for later. You can always eat it or use it for juices, etc. I'm a big fan of orange, so I'm going to zest a little bit more. Now for the last part, before you stick it in the oven, that crumble that we made, you're going to take it and you're just going to sprinkle it on top. You're going to make sure that you sprinkle evenly throughout the top. And that is quite literally it. You're going to put it in a 375-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes or until it is nice and brown and bubbly. As my grandmother would write in her recipes, bake until done. I know anytime I bake a pie or bake something in a pie plate, what I like to do is put a pan underneath it just in case it bubbles over. It doesn't make a mess in my oven. Happy baking, little berry crumble. Oven times, of course, do vary. Mine took 50 minutes instead of the recommended 40 to 45 minutes. And here it is, nice and bubbly. It smells, I wish that you could smell through the screen. This smells simply amazing. It's that cinnamon with the orange zest that is really what is coming through strongly. Besides going out and buying like a cake at the store pre-made, Really and truly, there is not a dessert quicker than making this one. I cannot wait to break into this and give it a taste. And that is it for today's video. If you make this berry crumble or anything that you have seen on these Disney-inspired cooking videos, let us know in the comments down below. I would love to hear how it turns out for you. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button on the way out. It would make me smile from ear to ear and warm my heart. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!